Okay, so check this out. These vibrating speakers were sent to me to show you. So I'm gonna unbox them and we'll play around with them and see what they sound like. All right, look at that. It is so little. That is so tiny. Let's see what else we have in here. There's something underneath there. Ooh, there's quite a bit in there. So it looks like we've got two different sets of suction cups. One's kind of a clearer color. This one's black. They do have adhesive on them. So you can get these in different options and colors here, but let's just look right now here at this gray one and what it comes with and how it functions. So it is so small. We've got a plus minus button over here. We got a USB-C charging port there.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Look at this. So when you push both buttons here, that turns it on and then puts it into Bluetooth mode. So now it's waiting to pair with my phone or with my computer. So when you go to pair it, it's the TM002. Do you want to pair it? Yep.
Connected.
So it told me it was connected. And now what you're supposed to do with this is, you're going to take either this and connect it straight to here. That way you can suction cup it. Or if you don't have somewhere, if you don't have a flat surface somewhere, you can attach it to this and then use that on the surface. So that's kind of the thought process there. So let's do this. Let's put this onto here. All right, so we got our little suction cup on there. And this kind of presses in, so it's made to kind of move around a little bit. And then the idea is you're going to suction cup this to something, a wall, a shower, something like that. Let's see what happens if I put it on this box. All right, so it's on there now pretty good. All right, so welcome to my crib. This is a gazebo that I just put together, sent to me. It's nicely made. I'm sorry, so I'm playing a video, so I can't play music. But here's what I'm noticing is like when I have this box down, the sound is reverting through it. It took me about 40 minutes. When I pull it up, it's not as loud. First setup. I think once you get it set up, you can leave a lot of this on there, and it makes it much simpler. Let me show you the inside. That is really interesting. So to get in, you've got zippers all around. So it makes that sound kind of come out of it. That is really cool. And decide, where you want to get in. So I mean, it's coming straight through there, but when I put that down on the surface, it creates even more sound. And you can pull that back and even tie it up over there to the side if you wanted to. If you just had one of them open, you could undo that tie. So if you were to like place this on your fridge or something like that, on the shower, you can imagine like that sound would be even more interesting. Now, the other cool thing you can do with this, if you do have two of them, you can do the TWS, and it says you short press 3 times over here. So let me turn this on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
And then what that does is now both of them are playing the sound. So if you do TWS, the other colors are actually basically they're almost in sync there, but then they're both in the same sound. So if you had them, in a room, one on each side, you'd be getting sound out of both of them. So yeah, this is a really cool, interesting little speaker. I've never seen anything like this before. Suction cup against a flat surface, and you've got you basically turn in whatever that is into a big giant speaker. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that product review. Make sure, again, you click the link in the description if you want to go see what it looks like and see if it's on sale. Also, click that video down here. It's another product review that you're going to love, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like.